Picture this. John wants a pencil from his friend Faisal. So John looks straight at him and says John needs Faisal's pencil. It sounds like John just became a news reporter, describing himself from the outside. Nobody actually talks like that. What Johns really want to say is that I need your pencil. And without even realizing it, John just used two personal pronouns back to back. Every conversation has three roles in it. There is a person who is talking, that's the speaker, we call it first person. Then there is a person who is listening, that's the listener, we call it second person. And there is a topic which they are talking about, which could be about a person or a thing, that's the third person. A personal pronoun is just a word that steps in for a name depending on which of those three roles someone is playing in that exact sentence. Let's go back to John and Faisal. John is the speaker. He doesn't say John wants a pencil. He says I want a pencil. I replaces his own name. Faisal is the listener. So John doesn't say Faisal has a pencil, he says you have a pencil. You replaces for Faisal's name. Now suppose John is describing this whole story to another friend named Maya. In that moment, he is not going to repeat Faisal's name every single time. He will just say, he gave it to me. That he steps in for Faisal and it steps in for the pencil. So here is the pattern. When a personal pronoun smells that the speaker is talking about themselves, it swaps in I or we in replace of that speaker's name. When it marks someone being spoken to, the personal pronoun swaps in you. And when it marks whoever or whatever is being talked about, it swaps in he, she, it, or they. That's the whole idea behind personal pronoun. But here is the part almost nobody gets taught. Personal pronouns aren't just one single list. There is subjective pronouns, there is objective pronouns, there is possessive pronouns, and there is gendered versus non-gendered pronouns. We're gonna talk about these pronouns in a separate video.